There were seasons in my life when I worked for at least three major companies and three smaller ones. I stayed a long time in each one of them because they did value my work. They respected my quality. They trusted my follow through. At least on paper, everything looked stable. But internally, inside me, I often felt stressed in their chaotic environment, consciously being concerned about their constant urgencies, their last minute changes, their crisis mode was their culture. And I didn't always know what to make of it. Sometimes I wondered, and I really wondered hard. It made me cry sometimes. Does this mean I'm not built for this? Does this mean I should quit? Does this mean I'm supposed to start my own business? All these questions swirled. And sometimes the honest answer was, I didn't know.